Hey folks, this is a continuation of my 3 packs a day series where I see if flying just 3 packs a day, that's more than I usually fly on average, ouch, if I see if flying just 3 packs a day in a structured way can make me a better pilot. This is day 3. There's a link to the full playlist down in the video description, and there's a link to the quadcopter that I'm flying and all the gear I'm using in the video description. Let's get on with it. Day 3. There's going to be some juicy flicking. Some flicking. We're going to continue our let's get comfortable being in proximity. It's actually been a couple days since I flew because I've been sick. Hello, ground. This is the point where you go down to the comments and ask, how am I doing that stick overlay? There's a link to that video. Guess where? It's in the video description. Yeah, I have a tutorial about how to do it. Well, it's going to be harder for me to do this since I can't do a damn front flip. I can see that shuddering from the P gain with no D gain. Yeah, I can see how stiff it's getting. I can definitely see we're starting to get some ringing on the moves. One thing I'd like to get comfortable with is getting more comfortable with doing those rolls and flips with less clearance, less clearance in front of me. Oh, not happy. Well, I'm trying to do it proximity, so... That wasn't real juicy though, was it? So that was with some yaw mixed in, but I'm not sure it was better. Just trying to do the whole move slower, maybe? I got a chance of getting out of this one. Am I lowering the throttle? No, I'm not lowering the throttle hardly at all. Big bobble. That was cleanish. I think looking a little down at the ground is better. Okay, a little, not quite that much. Joshua from the future here. It's amazing how much better these look in the GoPro with Super View than they do in the FPV feed. Very interesting watching this during editing. I was like, I don't know, they look kind of crap. I mean, I'm not saying they look great, but they didn't look. They have that kind of same, I don't know, juicy flick effect that you see when Willie or Vic FPV does it. But here on the Super View, it kind of a little bit does. Interesting.
It's more comfortable to do it with a roll, entering with a roll. Because you can kind of just feel where you're at, where you can't with it. Maybe keep pitching forward a little bit. How can I have a sense of my altitude and just sort of where I am? If I can always see the ground, then I'll always be able to kind of have a sense of where I am. See, that's lame though. You have to be able to see the sky a little bit. Alrighty. You know, the quad definitely is flying bad, and that definitely is affecting my ability to do these tricks. Not that my piloting isn't also affecting the ability to do these tricks. The shutters on those moves, we're definitely at too high of a PD ratio. That's for damn sure. Look, I'm Mr. Steel. I'm just doing it too close to the ground and just not giving myself enough room to recover. I don't know. Do they not snap into it like that? I think they do. But then they kind of like juicy roll out of it, and I don't know how they do that. See, it's like, maybe there's too much separation. Maybe that's it. Didn't get a lot lower than that, friends. Maybe I need to watch some juicy rolls and get a better sense of what they're doing. But that's it. That's 3 packs for today.